So having completed the entire store setup and services setup, we shall now move to transactions and show you how transactions are done between a consumer and the store. The best way to do this is through a live demo. And this demo is being viewed from the eyes of the store manager. The store manager's name in this particular case is Iyer. And there is a consumer called Sesha who is trying to reach out to the store to buy a guitar. So we'll try and show you a demo of exactly how this call is received by the store and how the whole interaction happens. So right now this is a look at Iyer's phone. So Iyer is basically in the Jankar Beats store and he is attending to customers. Sesha is trying to reach the store to buy a guitar. He'll possibly initiate it through a chat to try and find out there's a chat. So Sesha is trying to find out if there is a Yamaha guitar G40 is available in the store. And Iyer is replying saying that yes, the same is available. Now it is possible that the consumer will now initiate a video call because he wants to actually look at the guitar and be convinced that the guitar is what he's looking for. There it is. The consumer Sesha has called Jankar Beats and the store manager Iyer has accepted the call. You can see Iyer in the small box and that's Sesha who's a consumer in the main frame. And this is as being viewed from the store phone. So it's basically the store phone and it's a master application. So let's see how this transaction goes.
Hello sir, welcome to Jamka Beats, music for all ages. My name is Iyer, I'm store manager at Jamka Beats. This is the product that you asked for, that is Yamaha C40. Let me quickly explain about this product.
Mr. Iyer, I am aware about the product features. Can you please let me know what is the price of this particular guitar is?
MRP of this guitar is 5,000. We have a discount sale running for 10%, so we'll get this product for 4,500.
Is there any additional discount?
No sir, this is the maximum that we can do.
Okay, I'll go for it. Also let me know the delivery options of this particular product.
So while confirming the order, you can choose either pick up from the store or get it home delivered. Once you confirm the same, I'll raise the invoice so that you can make the payments from there on.
You can go ahead and load it to my cart. I will confirm the order.
Sure sir, I am adding the product to your cart.
So having completed this little chat, the consumer Sesha has decided that he wants to buy the guitar immediately. So the next step as far as the store is concerned is for Iyer to now load the item onto Sesha's cart. Loading the item onto the cart means adding the item name, adding the item rate, agreed, the units, and then thereafter adding as many images as he wants, images as well as a video if required, so that the consumer, when he is looking at the cart, can decide that the item that was shown to him is exactly the item that he is receiving. So now the store is sending the item on the cart, which Sesha, the consumer, will now receive on his cart on the Mall Street app. Yeah, and the consumer has also now confirmed the transaction. So as you can see from the notification, Sesha Sai has confirmed the order for the guitar. So now the shopkeeper, that is Iyer, is going to raise a bill. This he is going to raise from the POS. Okay, so there is no separate bill raising, etc. He raises it from the regular store POS and takes a scanned image and sends it across to the consumer. Let's see how this goes.
So I can see that you have confirmed the order, sir. I'll quickly raise the invoice so that you can make the payment from there on. Is this all, or are you looking for any other product, sir?
No, Mr. Iyer, I am not looking for anything else. You can go ahead and raise the invoice. I will make the payment.
Sure, sir. Thank you for shopping with Jamka Beats. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. Iyer.
So the call is now terminated and Iyer is now raising the bill on his POS and he's taking, and having raised a bill, this is of course a dummy bill, he is now taking a scanned image of the same and he is going to send this across to Sesha along with details and particulars of this bill for easy payment via the Razorpay gateway. So this is basically the scanned image. This is entering the bill amount again for validation. The item number is 1 and he is putting 0 charge for delivery because the consumer has opted for store pickup, and thereby he is sending this to the consumer.
The billing now being complete, the transaction moves to the payment sub-tab under the to-do list or the actions screen. So now the salesman Iyer awaits payment being made by the consumer CSSI online through the Razorpay gateway. Now the payment has been made, as you saw by the notification above, and the transaction moves to deliveries, where the salesman Iyer now has to enter a code which is unique, which is called as a pickup code, and this is typically automatically generated if it is a store pickup. And those delivery details are now shared with the consumer, and the consumer can now come visit the store anytime and basically pick up the item with the code.